An honorarium is a specific type of payment for services that are often outside of your regular professional duties. It is not a salary or a wage. It is a payment made as a gesture of appreciation for a voluntary or professional service. Even though it sounds like a gift, the IRS considers honorariums to be fully taxable income that you must report on your tax return. You will typically see these payments when a professional provides a talk or a lecture for an organization where they are not an employee. The main difference is the nature of the relationship. A salary is for ongoing employment, while an honorarium is usually a singular event. If you receive over $600, the payer is generally required to report it to the IRS using a Form 1099 NEC. Good documentation is essential. If you incurred costs to earn that honorarium, you might be able to offset some of the tax impact. Remember to track all your income sources throughout the year. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.